a 2,000 megawatt coal-fired power plant, had a history of severe ash piling and pluggage in its SCR, forcing derates in as little as 3 months of operation. Earlier, LPA screen designs had resulted in screen breaches between outages and extensive LPA accumulation in the SCR. In 2017, IGS installed the Low NOx LPA Screen, along with SCR air cannons and CatFlow catalyst screens. The redesigned LPA screen and protective HVTS cladding provided reliable LPA filtration and protected the SCR with no reported screen breaches between outages. During an inspection in 2023, the LPA screens showed signs of wear. IGS replaced worn screen panels, refurbished the system, and reapplied the 2-stage topcoat. The refurbishment ensured reliable protection of the SCR, avoided a full screen replacement, provided significant cost savings, and made future inspections quick and easy.